stuff. Thank you, Sowie. And Piggy, as far as the Eels are concerned, they've got this weight of expectation. The drought, which stretches back to 1986. I'm sure you were reminded about it when you played for the Parramatta Eels. But they've got a chance tonight to create a name for themselves, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Since 86, as you mentioned. And off the back of what Sowie's saying there about the game itself, he's right. Parramatta, in turn, have to start fast. If they're going to be any chance in this game, they can't play the same way they played against Penrith in the week 1 of the finals, which is what Sowie, I think, might have been talking about. They started very tentatively, didn't really get into the game. They almost looked very nervous in that first week out there. They've got to play like they've played the last 2 weeks. Just play their footy, back themselves, and then they might get an opportunity to win this game.
You know, in that game 1 of the finals, I remember reading the next day, Clint Gutherson only ran for 47 metres, or something like that. It was under 50 metres. Now, that's not Clint Gutherson. And he's so pivotal in how they go. I mean, I know the halfback is the gun, but him and the halfback are pretty even for mine. And I think Gutherson, there's no way in the world he's going to run for under 50 metres in this game tonight.
All right, Piggy, you're going to have a little breather because the boys are going to call the interstate, the state.
And they all actually on their books had units that were on Parramatta Road, Hume Highway, and
Master Builders Building License. RTO 6163. Is one in New Zealand
There is going to be Kurt Balls. Narrow level. Late bloomer. The job done this afternoon.
Thank you, Jamie. That's Jamie Sauer down on the touchline for Mitsubishi. Our Pollock Fire starting, and as the big man mentioned, great to see you. Our Grand Final day. It'll be.
Difficult with the Devils because you don't see a lot of them.
No. The football defending the northern end.
I bet it's just the contact in the FM switch.
Yeah, and it really does. Well, it really
AM
does.
is no problem at all. But
the Devils have got the ball deep inside their own half and
getting to FM,
dummy half, but most
dreaming. It's like the switch almost has a short. It's probably just dust.
Not only Tyson Gamble. Playing fullback, yet all the reps are.
They were so invested in this group. So there are so many individuals who in these scenarios, in their mind, they suddenly feel like they're the one, and their sense of self-worth is
This is AM. All the transmitters have collapsed.
Here on ABC News Radio, and then the ticket is Tracy Holmes. But for now, it's time for background briefing from our end.
A few months ago, the residents of the Northcott estate in woke to an awful smell. It was coming from the vents, and it seemed to get worse as the days passed.
Oh no, it's going to be dead people. Dead people always smell.
Goes left, then he goes back to the right.
The Para road to the grand final, and
Radios used to fascinate me as a child.
Nowhere else to go. It's an ageing building, and there's always something that needs fixing. And so Pierre is forever complaining about it.
Really wish I could have given a demo. The heck was that? It's weird.
Later.
That sounded like FM.
The covers for today's show are all about memories. How's your mother? Reflections of my life. Good song and a early film.
This is definitely FM. So I guess it is just the switch.
Vamos a un corte comercial y cuando regresamos.
Government. There was a valid alternative on the legal table. The caretaker trustees suggested that the funds might be made into a permanent charity for the benefit of the nation. By contrast, payment to the
I think that, you know, it's very hard. They're an absolute juggernaut, right? Yeah. They're an absolute... Well, no, if you look at the team list, right, and we've got them in front of us now, Charlie Staines on Mike Acevo is a little...
And we're at the end of the dial. Okay, so he must be at the 108 area now.
From Sharon Laveau, her Soul 45 recorded in 1980, some dreamy Midwest spacey soul recorded in St. Louis, Missouri by Oliver Sane. Right now, London at Yellow Day.
Time around, they
come out.
Can you remember, babe? Comprobar con visas que we can be together.
On Dryla with Under the Glass. Before that one, it was June Jones with Hoodie Girl, and the first one I played for you was The Finches with Run, Run, Run. If you'd like to learn more about women in music in Iran, there's an article called Paradoxes of Gender, Technology and the Pandemic in the Iranian Music Industry that details some of the important ways in which female musicians challenge existing restrictions and create opportunities for themselves. If you're interested in learning more about that. Up next for you, I'm going to play a track from Baby Cool. It's called Magic, and I'm just going to go straight into it.
Oh boy. I'm going to come back to that station a bit later. Thank you for watching. This has just been me flicking through the radio for, really? It's been like 12 minutes almost. Okay, cool. That was meant to be just a couple of minutes. But I guess finding FM is half the struggle these days. McRetro out. Wonder how many copyright strikes I'll get for this one. Might put on the McRetro gaming channel. Yeah, that's a good idea. I don't care as much about that channel, but it's okay. Thanks for watching.